Hello everyone, a very warm good afternoon. I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Umang Solutions. You will find video lectures on Android app development, Python programming, web development, and various other technologies in our YouTube channel. We are working relentlessly and are putting our best efforts to give you the right material, good knowledge, and an insightful playlist. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Umang Solutions, subscribe it now. I also want to show you our LinkedIn page, Umang Solutions. Follow this page for getting updates on the ongoing workshops, events, and many other interesting sessions conducted by us. So, for today, the topic for demonstration is memory is a limited resource. I won't be saying it as demonstration, I'll be saying it as general giveaway. Okay, so let me show you a photo. Okay, so if you observe this photo, this is the contact list with a few names: Eric Test, D-Man, Hal Callen, Jeremy, Leonard, Lucy, Surajit. So these are some of this is the basic contacts app present in your phone. So as I'll be explaining, as I'll be moving on, I'll be telling you, you can see these are text views: Eric Test, Daniela, D-Man, Hal Callen, Jeremy, Leonard, Lucy, Surajit. So these all are text views. And now you can imagine, based on number of contacts you are having in your phone, just just imagine how many text views will be occupying if you go on creating, if you go on displaying a text view. Okay, so I'll be showing you another screenshot. So let me capture my screen. So this is how WhatsApp occupy. This is 1.08 GB is the memory which WhatsApp application is occupying in my phone. Okay, so what I would like to tell over here is, as a good developer, you need to take care that your memory, your phone, your mobile application, the application which you have developed shouldn't occupy much space in the memory. Because if our application occupies most of the space in the memory, then what will happen is our phone is having a limited amount of memory, like 8 GB RAM or like 4 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM. So these are the basic configurations, basic RAM configurations which our phone will be having. So if most of the memory is occupied by our application itself, it will lead the mobile phone into problems, like your phone will be hanging again and again. Okay, so as a good developer, what you need to do is you need to see that your mobile application doesn't occupy much space. See, mobile is a limited resource, and I am giving contact list example. For example, if your contact list is having 1,000 contacts, okay, you can't just iterate through a loop creating text views. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find an optimum solution. We need to find an efficient solution for this. So what we'll be doing is we will be recycling the views. Okay, so I'll be explaining about recycling the views. At a point of time, you might see like only 5 to 7 contacts will be loading into your phone. So what we need to do is just we can load only 5 to 7 contacts in the memory instead of loading all the 1,000 or all the number of contacts you are having in the memory. So how can we achieve it? Okay, are you getting what I am trying to say? I am trying to say is, at a point of time, what will happen is only 5 to 6 contacts will be displaying in your contacts application. So why to load all the text views, all the 1,000 text views at once into the memory? So what we'll be doing is, while we are scrolling, whatever 5 text views, 5 contacts it will be showing to us, we'll be loading only those contacts into the memory. And when we scroll up or when we scroll down, what we can do is replace those text views in the memory with the other text views. So in this way, recycling of the views can happen. So recycling of the views can be achieved with the help of list view and adapter. Okay, so in the further class, I'll be explaining you the concept of recycler view. So in the video of recycler view, I'll be giving you I'll be explaining you in a more clear way. So this is what I wanted to say. Memory is very limited resource. So what you need to see is our application doesn't occupy most of the memory. Like I'll be showing you, apart from these apps, I'll be showing you some of the apps which are there in my phone. Okay, so please see, I'll be recapturing my screen. Okay, so this is the memory which applications are which applications in my phone are occupying. Okay, so see, Stavlator 8.8 MB, calculator 7.595 MB. So in this way, our mobile application should occupy less memory so that there is enough memory for other applications to run in the background. Okay, I hope you might be clear with the concept that memory is a limited resource and we need to make use of the memory efficiently. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Umang Solutions, subscribe it now and do follow our LinkedIn page Umang Solutions for getting latest updates on the ongoing workshops and many interesting events conducted by us. Thank you all.